All right, so this is our first adventure video that we're making. We're going up to Lost Creek Falls.
Lost Greens.
Lost Creek Falls up Provo Canyon. We're pretty much going on this hike to test out our new stabilizing mount. It seems to be doing pretty good so far on this video.
Also to test out our vlogging abilities.
So our plan is we're pretty much going to become famous. So we're going to start making travel vlogs.
Pretty much going to become famous.
Travel videos, and our plan is to become famous. So this is kind of the first of our adventure travel video vlogging. So here goes nothing. All right, well, we made it about halfway so far. Sarah's almost died a couple of times. We found Bigfoot in the woods. And we're not even close.
Not even close, but look at the view.
It's pretty.
It's worth it.
Well, we made it. We're here at Lost Creek Falls. Really pretty. Out of breath. It's a steep hike, but a very beautiful view when you get there to the top. So,
But go when it's a little bit lighter because it's starting to get dark.
it's starting to get dark, but overall, great hike. Highly recommend it.